One of the most facade design pattern is pointed curtain wall facade design. Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD tutorial, another video of 3ds Max tutorial. In this simple video, you will learn the facade design in 3ds Max. So get started with the unit setup. Go to the Customize tab and click on Unit Setup. Then choose your preferred unit. Press OK. Go to the Create tool and create a rectangle. Define the rectangle's parameter size under the Modify parameters. Define the length and width. We are creating one panel for the curtain wall. In this video of 3ds Max facade modeling, you will get an infinite idea for your 3ds Max modeling related to architecture work. You can switch the unit between the modeling in 3ds Max. After the end of this video, you can also make the reflective curtain wall 3ds Max. You can make the copies of the panel. This video can be a 3ds Max tutorial for beginner so that they can create the pointed facade design in 3ds Max. To make clone, select the numbers of the panels and you can click on OK. Now do the same on our y-axis. Define the numbers of panels and press OK. Here's the panels are created. Now it's time for create mullions. So go to the rectangle and create one rectangle for your mullions. Go to the modify. From the modifier list, select editable spline on the vertices and manage as per your preference. Now close. When you are satisfied with your dimensions, then make a copy of that. Define the numbers of and press OK. Here the multiple numbers of rectangle are created. Place on the right place, one by one, and choose the right position of the mullion. Now it is time to create the vertical mullions. For that, copy of the one of the mullions and rotate as per the 90-degree angle and place on the right place. Again, you can adjust the size by using vertices. Because we are using the 2D objects, later on we will convert into 3D. Select all the mullions and we are going to extrude and give the 3D shape to the mullions. Create a group after selecting all the mullions, rename and press OK. Go to the 3D view and here you can see the shape is now in 2D. Use the extrude option to make the 3D and define the thickness of the mullions. Click on generate mapping coordinates so that we can see the texture after the applying texture. Select all the panels. Again, create an extrusion to define the curtain glass thickness. You can see the panel thickness. Place on the exterior side. Again, create a group for the panels. Define the name and press OK. Select all the object and rotate on the y-axis. So here we can see the panels are created with the mullions. Go to the top view and start creating the pointed joints. You can do from any side view, left side or right side. Now inside we use some space for creating the joints using arc option from one point to another one and define the radius. Better to touch the blue line. We'll cover the gap by using extrude option, which is a different in 2D shapes we'll use by render view. Create another one by rotating option. Select both the lines one by one and click on enable in render and enable in viewport so that we can define the thickness in radius. Do same with another one. And place on the position where it should be. This will give you the realistic look of the joints in your curtain panel. Select all of them joints and make a group. Now it's time to give a proper angle for the better performance. Select both the joints and make some scale. You can see now it's time to make the copies of the joints on other locations. Hold the shift key and drag the objects from one point to another point and you can make the number of copies. Press OK. Now here you can see the number of multiple copies is created. Do the steps again and again to make the copies. Delete the unwanted one. Place a camera, V-Ray physical camera for the good quality rendering image. Place on some top height and change the target location so that we can adjust the field of view in the camera. As you can see on the screen, there's a good location view of the curtain facade wall. The mullions are in wrong places. Select all the joints of the mullions and place on the right position as I'm doing on your screen. I'm using very simple steps so that a beginner can use these steps to make your design more comfortable. Let me tell you one thing, not only the facade design in 3ds Max, but also you can make the reflective curtain wall, the reflective glass and the glass material in 3ds Max in this tutorial. Everyone, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video because I make this video for you and it is very difficult to make a video on 3ds Max. It takes a long time for the recording, editing and reproduce the video for you on YouTube. So please share and subscribe my channel if you are new in this video. Place a V-Ray plane for the base material. Go to the common and select the V-Ray advanced material, V-Ray advanced setting as a common renderer. Now go to the material editor. Select the joints and make the color for the joints. As we are going to make steel, so choose the diffuse color, some gray and reflection, make some white. Change the glossiness 0.95 and define some more darkness. Fresnel layer 15. Now make the material for the curtain. The third material for the panels. Apply all the materials related to subjects and hit the render. The render settings you can find in the description link and all the resources which is required in this video to make this curtain wall. The test render is good, but we need to keep some more changes in this. Again hit a test render. Now we can see the clearly glass, mullion and the joints. The refraction gives a transparency to the material and the material applied object. And hit the test render again. We are getting a very simple effect because we don't have any environment. So click on environment and use a bitmap. As I am selecting the downloaded sky from the Google, close and hit the test render again. You can see the sky reflection on the curtain reflected glass. The test render is complete. For the better option, create an environment. For creating an environment, we need to create some objects and apply the reflective material. I have already created the sunlight. You can go to the light option and choose various sunlight, and you can place the sunlight. For the reflection, I am using this plane and apply the material which you want to reflect. I am using the same sky material for the reflection. Hit the test render. Okay, so we are not getting the result. Cancel the render. Close all the dialog box. Select the V-Ray light and make it invisible. Then again hit the test render. As you can see, we are seeing this some part which is reflecting. Cancel this test render. And make the alignment to the object and place in front of the object so that ray can be bounced to the objects. As you can see the result on your screen, but we need to give some changes, the position changes. Make some scale to cover all the full curtain wall and hit the test render. Now here you can see we are getting the good result by optimizing everything from environment, light, camera and everything. Step by step you need to do everything to get a good result. Let it be complete the rendering so that only you can view the final render image. We can do one more thing. Go to the render setup by pressing F10 and choose HD quality as I am doing. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe with your friends.